Let's take a look at what you get with Xometry's procurement solution. You no longer need to vet and maintain your own supply chain. We've done it for you. With Xometry, you gain access to the manufacturing capacity of over 10,000 suppliers, offering hundreds of technology and material combinations, as well as certification and inspection options. We can have any part produced in any quantity. With our technologies powered by AI, you can instantly receive a quote, get pricing for complex, high-volume manufacturing projects, or source parts directly using your target prices. We ensure smooth production and on-time delivery of spec parts. No more communicating with dozens of suppliers, negotiating logistics terms, or supply chain headaches. Xometry offers the flexibility your business needs, from a range of payment options to long-term production agreements with scheduled part deliveries. We leverage cutting-edge digital technologies, but you'll still always have a dedicated account and production manager looking after every order. Our operations, production, and logistics management, powered by our own IT systems, are designed to eliminate your day-to-day procurement routine. You order, we deliver. It's that simple. Ready to explore our procurement solution for your custom and high-volume manufacturing needs? Visit xometry.uk/procurement today.